It is 2021 and OnePlus launched OnePlus Bullets earphone version 2 almost 4 years ago. I am doing unboxing. It is very simple and good looking box. It's wrapped by plastics. Very premium looks. As you can see, earphones and logo. Here are some information about earphones. And never settle. Then another box. Here another box with OnePlus logo. Here's nothing. Then I will open it. I think it is extra parts. It total 3 pair. So final box unboxing. Here the user manual. All Chinese. It has also English. So main part is earphone itself. So nothing here. And this opening. Yes, very premium feel, very premium rubber materials. So as you can see, 3.5 mm jack. It has type C version also. It's flat type cables, and here's the joint, and here is the remote options. OnePlus logo, microphone, so you can receive and calls and volume minus and plus. So and also it working as a voice assistant if you press the and hold. So final is this driver is I think aluminum, very premium quality. So as you can see. So if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next.